This is the first video regarding 3G RRC, and in this video I want to demonstrate RRC flow and related optimization timers. This is a general view of RRC procedure and its related timers. Timers related to RRC connection request T300 and N300, and RRC connection setup related timers T381 and N381, and RRC UE response timer. RRC connection procedure include two interface UU and IUB interface. First, RRC connection request. After first RRC request, timer T300 will start. After receiving RRC connection request, RRC sends RRC connection setup. After that, RRC will start timer T381, which equal to 600. If within this timer RRC doesn't receive RRC setup connection complete message, RRC sends second RRC connection setup based on retransmission time N381. So during this within this timer T300, which equal to the 2-second, UE doesn't receive RRC connection setup. UE after expiring T300, UE will generate second RRC request based on retransmission time N300, which equal to 3. After that, procedure which I demonstrated on first RRC will be repeated. First RRC connection setup, second RRC. So after expiring T300, we will generate third RRC connections setup. Then RRC will send RRC connection setup, generate another RRC connection setup based on retransmission time N381. So after expiring T300, we will generate fourth RRC connection request. So after that, RRC will send RRC connection setup 2 times. Here on last RRC connection, timer RRC response timer will start, which equal to 5 seconds. If within this timer RRC doesn't receive RRC connection setup complete message, RRC will send rather delete request, then not be verified response. At this point, this RRC will count as failure. In case of within the last RRC connection request and within this timer RRC response timer, if RRC receives RRC connection setup complete, this RRC will count as successful RRC. This is if we summarize here, able to generate 4 times RRC connection request. From RRC side, RRC may generate 8 times RRC connection setup. In each RRC connection request may have 2 RRC connection setup messages. Here timers during RRC setup. First timer T300. So based on this timer and retransmission time, UE may generate 4 times RRC request. Second timer is T381, which equal to 600, and retransmission time and 381. Based on this timer and retransmission time, RRC generates 2 times RRC setup message to UE. Last timer is UE response timer, which equal to 5 seconds. It will start after last RRC request, and within this timer, if RRC doesn't receive RRC connection setup complete message, this RRC will count as failure. So this is a general procedure of RRC connection and its related timers. On next, we will consider how we can optimize RRC issue related to downlink and uplink, and involving this mentioned timer.